Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start immediately. Open GarageBand and create a new audio recorder project. Import the audio from files or tap the looper and choose your file. Trimming down to 30 seconds matters because ringtones must be short. Make sure you place the clip at the start of the timeline and silence any unwanted tracks. Once done, adjust the fade and level so the ringtone sounds clear. This step converts the raw file into a GarageBand project you can export as a ringtone. Now you refine the clip. Zoom the timeline, drag trims, and use split to remove excess. You want a clean loop. Once the selection is perfect, tap the down arrow, choose My Songs, then press and hold the project to reveal share. Select ringtone as the format, give it a concise name, and export. GarageBand will render the file as an iPhone ringtone. This step creates a system-ready tone you can assign immediately without needing Apple Music or a computer. Once the ringtone is exported, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, then Ringtone and select your new tone. You'll hear a preview to confirm. If the tone doesn't appear, restart the phone app or reboot the iPhone, then re-export from GarageBand. Sometimes the project export fails quietly. Make sure the clip is under 30 seconds and named without special characters. If problems persist, delete the GarageBand project, create a fresh one, and repeat the export to ensure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.